Welcome back, devs. Finally, we are here once again to finish this project, this inventory system. We need to finish our profiles module. That's the last one we need. But we also need to make our auth. So let's go and do that. Let's make our auth. You know, for Laravel we have this quick command that make us think really easy. Just php artisan make auth, and that will make it. Let's check out our project. As you can see, we already have these controllers for our auth, where we are gonna customize them, and we also have now this folder with our views, which we are gonna customize too and add some of the new views we are gonna need for this. But first, let's give it a check to our controllers. Here we have our login controller with not much, just to control what we are gonna have for our index. When we log in, we're gonna see this. We need to add here a new function, because we're gonna be using our username as a login field. So we are gonna tell Laravel that instead of the default name, we're gonna use a username. So this is the way. This is just the way we name in our migration. If you remember, we added this username field to our user migration. So I guess this is it for this controller. Now let's move to our register controller. We are gonna have to do some changes here, and we're gonna need to add some new lines. First, use auth and use db. We are gonna need them. I think we are gonna need here also our model for profile. Yeah. Okay, we need to add here a couple of fields. We need our username, and we're gonna tell it it's require. It's a string max. It's gonna be 255, and it's gonna be unique. And we also need our profile ID, and it's gonna be required. That's it, I think. We're gonna create another function here. We're gonna name it show registration form. Here we are gonna need a profile. We haven't created this, but let's just do it now. We're gonna use it anyway. Where ID equals to Auth. Sorry. Okay, equals to user profile ID, and let's get it. To another variable, access. Explode. By a comma. Or profile. This is for the level of access that is going to have any of our users to verify, to check. Now we need a for each. No, wait a second. We need for, the regular for. Equals 0. Count access, and let's add the code file position 0. I'm missing something here. We need to tell it when it's gonna happen. This if access position I, where loop is, equals to user then file access equals to on, and then break. Else profile position 0 equal to access 0. Then out of our loop, profiles, then we get our profiles, okay, let's get them all, and then return new of the register, and let's send our files variable and our profile. That's it for this one. Now let's add another function to show our users. So index, and here we are also gonna need our profile. To check the level of access that our user can have. I'll just give it this one. Make it faster. It's just the same. Get. Very well. Here we're gonna need also this function, so let's copy it all. Here we are checking which level or which module our user have access to. So let's just change this to users list. It's gonna be the module access for our user, and we are gonna return the users. So let's get them. We're gonna use this function with thrash. With trashed, because we're gonna have our logical delete for our deleted add, so this way we can see which users have been deleted and if we want to restore them. Now just return to the auth index view, auth, and set our array with our variables, with our values that we are using here. Also the profile. That's it.